take you along today as we go to the scrapyard. We have 2 loads, maybe 3, to take to the scrapyard. We don't have a large trailer, so that's why we have to do it in a couple of loads. But we have a load of refrigerators and a couple stoves, and then, or washer machines, I don't even know. And then a load of just scrap metal stuff, and then whatever's left. The third load will be whatever's left. So that's what we're doing today. We're gonna load it up, take it to the scrapyard, and make a little bit of money. Scrapping is a good way to make a little bit of money on the side, but there was a lot of metal and stuff on the homestead to begin with, so we've been just, if we find it, we put it in a spot and put it in the area, and it's been collecting, so the area's gotten ridiculous, so we have to take it off and get rid of it. So that's what we're doing today. It is 54 and it's January, so we're enjoying this weather. It could be a lot colder. We're supposed to be having a snowstorm come in tonight, so we'll see how it goes. But that's what we're doing today. Enjoy. Happy homesteading from Grace Homestead Farm. Can't see. Taking off a pile of scrap. Mom, that's fine.
Fell again.
There goes the refrigerator.
Again. Grab onto him. Grab him. Grab him. Grab him. Mom, it's like one of those pincher games that you see at Walmart. The doors are flapping. idea. Awesome. It's gonna fall, isn't it? It's gonna fall. I knew it! This is already this short video. Whitty. Whitley. What? What did I say? Side of the middle thing? What did I say? Whitley or Whitty? Whitley. Yeah. How's it?